Hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Carmichael Ellis, and today I'm going to show you how to network 4 virtual machines using 4 different operating systems. To do this, I'm going to use Oracle's VM VirtualBox. Alright, so I'm going to first I'm going to install my first machine, which is going to be a server. Alright, so I'm going to be installing the Windows Server 2008, so I'll choose Windows 2008, and let's say I'll name the server. I click next. I'm using the defaults, the bare necessities. Okay, next, create, and it's like that. My virtual machine is created. Alright, now what I need to do now is I need to install Windows 2008 server on this machine. Alright, and like all virtual machines, it's a machine, so it will have a CD drive or DVD drive. Okay, but it'll be virtual. So what I need to do is to install a virtual disk onto this virtual drive, and I'm going to choose my Windows 2000 Server 2008 ISO. Okay, network. We'll set this to host only adapter. Allow all. Then my promiscuous mode, and OK. Let's start up my machine now. Okay, so you see that the machine automatically boots my Windows Server CD. All right, and it's about to install the OS onto the machine. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install on 4 different machines. I'm going to install Windows 2008 Server. I'm going to install Windows 7. I'm going to install Windows Vista, and I'm going to install Windows XP. Alright, so what I'll do now is I will just install these, and I'll jump ahead. So you get to more you'll get to more to the more important stuff. Alright, so we're back. As you can see, I have installed all 4 operating systems on 4 separate virtual machines. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I need all these 4 machines to be connected on one network. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my server first, typing my password. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my network adapter properties. Alright, and I'm gonna set the IP address of the server to 192.168.0.1. Alright, it will also be the address of the default gateway. And it will be the address of my DNS server. Okay, close. Alright, so that's it for my server. Next on the agenda, I'll do Windows XP. Alright, so I go to my network connections, properties. Now all my network adapters are host only adapters. That's give me a sec. Alright, so properties. Alright, the IP address I'm gonna set for this is 192.168.0, and like I said, this is 2. The default gateway will be the address of my server, so it's 192.168.0.1. DNS server, the address of my server as well, 168.0.1. Okay, close. Alright, now what I've also done, if I've already set up this in my Windows Vista, sorry, I've already set it up in my Windows Vista and my Windows 7. Okay, you can see all 4 machines there. Okay, okay. Alright, let me just show you. Properties, continue. Alright. Okay, so my Windows Vista is set as 3. Alright, and my Windows 7 is set as 4. Alright, so let's see if I can talk to each other. Alright, so I'll go to my server first. Into my command prompt. I'm gonna ping 192.168.0.2, and that's my Windows XP. See, I'm getting a reply from my Windows XP. Okay, so I'm gonna ping my Windows Vista now. It's 192.168.0.3. Sorry. Okay, getting a reply from my Windows Vista. Let's see my Windows 7, which you did not see me entering, but it's there. 168.0.4. Ooh, apparently my Windows 7 is not set up. So let's go to my Windows 7. My Windows 7. And go to my control panel. Okay, I'll make sure my firewall is off. Turn off my firewall, turn off my firewall. Okay. Alright. And change adapter settings. Properties. Before I do that, let me just make sure that I have Windows 7 on the same scheme. Okay, Windows 7 is on the same host only adapter, as you can see below. Alright, so I'm going to go to properties and see everything is okay. Alright, so let's try it again and see if it works. So 192.168.0.4. Oh, I didn't ping. Oh my word. My word. 168.0.4. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna reply. Oh, that was really silly. Alright, so you see all 4 machines, but at least the server can talk to all 4 machines. Alright. In terms of time, I'm just gonna see if Windows Vista can communicate with all Windows 7 can communicate with all 4 machines. Alright, so I'm gonna ping the server firstly, so it's 192.168.0.1. Okay, I'm gonna reply. I wanna ping my Windows XP 192.168.0.2. Cool. I'm gonna reply there as well. I'm gonna ping 192.168.0.3. Apply. Okay, so it looks like I'm in the game. Alright, so if I go to network, okay, I see all 4 machines. This here is my server. I will change the name on a later date. But thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. Bye.